Have you ever read a book that feels like you've lived a whole other life? Today, we're diving into one of the greatest stories ever told. Charles Dickens' masterpiece, David Copperfield. This isn't just a novel. It's an epic journey from childhood hardship to adult fulfillment. And it's a story that Dickens himself called his favorite child. Our story begins with David, born in England shortly after his father's death. His early childhood is happy, spent with his gentle mother and their kind housekeeper Micawber. But this peace is shattered when his mother remarries the cruel and domineering Mr. Murdstone. Along with his equally cold sister, Miss Murdstone, they bring a reign of terror into David's home. David is subjected to harsh discipline and emotional abuse, turning his once loving home into a prison. Unable to bear David's spirit, the Murdstones send him away to a brutal boarding school called Salem House, run by the merciless headmaster, Mr. Creakle here. David endures further misery but also forms some of the most important friendships of his life. He meets the charming and heroic James Steerforth and the bumbling but good-hearted Tommy Treadles. These friendships become a small light in the darkness of his school days. Tragedy strikes again when David learns of his mother's death. With no one to care for him, Mr. Murdstone sends the 10-year-old David to work in a London factory. He lives a life of poverty and despair, pasting labels on bottles. His dreams of education and a better life all but extinguished. He lodges with the Micawber family, led by the eternally optimistic but perpetually in debt, Mr. Micawber, who is famous for his belief that something will turn up. Fed up with his miserable existence, David makes a bold decision. He runs away. His only hope is to find his great-aunt, Betsy Trotwood, in Dover. After an exhausting journey, he arrives, ragged and penniless, at her doorstep. Aunt Betsy, an eccentric but kind-hearted woman, takes him in. For the first time in years, David feels safe and loved. She renames him Trotwood Copperfield and decides to raise him properly. Under his great-aunt's care, David's life is transformed. He attends a good school in Canterbury and lives with Aunt Betsy's lawyer, Mr. Wickfield, and his gentle daughter, Agnes. Agnes becomes David's closest friend and moral compass. However, a shadow hangs over this new life in the form of Uriah Heep, Mr. Wickfield's seemingly humble clerk. With his slimy demeanor and constant talk of being humble, Heep is secretly plotting to ruin the Wickfield family and take control of the business. As David grows into a young man, he pursues a career and falls in love. His first love is the beautiful but naive Dora Spenlow. Despite her being a completely impractical child wife, David is smitten, and they marry. Their marriage is sweet but challenging, as David realizes love alone can't overcome their fundamental incompatibility. Meanwhile, his old friend Steerforth, now a handsome and wealthy man, re-enters his life. But Steerforth's charm hides a selfish nature, which leads to a terrible tragedy involving Peggotty's family. The story's climax sees several plot lines converge. The ever-resourceful Mr. Micawber, now working for Uriah Heep, uncovers Heep's years of fraud and forgery. In a dramatic confrontation, he exposes Heep's villainy, restoring Mr. Wickfield's fortune and honor. But David's personal life is struck by sorrow when his beloved Dora falls ill and passes away. And in a powerful, stormy sea scene, his former friend Steerforth also meets a tragic end. Lost in grief, David travels abroad. During this time, he realizes that his true and deepest love has always been for the wise and steadfast Agnes Wickfield, who has patiently loved him all along. He returns to England, confesses his feelings, and they marry. The novel ends with David as a successful writer, happily married to Agnes. Surrounded by his family and loyal friends, he has found true happiness, not through wealth or status, but through integrity, love, and perseverance. From a tormented child to a fulfilled man, David Copperfield's journey is a powerful testament to the resilience of the human spirit. It's a story filled with unforgettable characters, from the villainous Heep to the comical Mick, and it reminds us that even in the darkest of times, kindness, friendship, and hope can light the way. Thanks so much for watching this journey through one of literature's greatest epics. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which classic novel you'd like to see next.